Are you looking for a new home in the DFW area? Well, today I'm showing you guys this beautiful home located in Castle Hills Northpointe, built by American Legend Homes. This plan is the 1189, starting at $654,990. This is a 2-story, 3-bed, 3.5 bath, and it is sitting at 2,673 square feet. So Castle Hills is a very, very desired neighborhood. Has some really cool events, a really cool community around it. And it's honestly a really, really beautiful area to live in. I've had a lot of family friends live here. This is the spot to go to during 4th of July or any holidays. They have some amazing events and a place where you can truly find a good community. You are going to be located under Lewisville ISD, so you're going to have Memorial Elementary School, Griffin Middle School, and the Colony High School. So for this home, you do have, like I said, you're located in a very central part of DFW. You have a bunch of hiking, biking trails. There's a really nice shopping area around here. So it's honestly a great place to live, and the home itself is beautiful. I honestly love the black and white that they used in this house. I've always kind of wanted to see what it looked like, so really neat to see. The home is, a perfectly sized home in my opinion, a 3-bed, 3.5 bath. It's every room has enough space. American Legends is a great builder. Right now we're kind of in that backyard area and it looks amazing, really good area for entertainment. And then you have this beautiful awning upstairs that kind of overlooks into the living room. And then here is the master bedroom. So great size, nothing too big where you kind of just can put a whole living room in there. It just has enough for a dresser, your bedroom, and everything like that, and still good enough space. You also have your master bathroom here, which I think is perfect with an amazing closet space. If you guys are looking for any homes within the Castle Hills area or anywhere in DFW, my name is Eric Diaz. Contact info is on the screen and in the link in the description. I would be more than happy to help you out and show you guys what there is to purchase here in Castle Hills or anywhere in the area. Now we'll head upstairs to go check out the rest of the home. Again, you have this beautiful awning here overlooking your living room. You do have a media room. Media rooms are very, very popular in the DFW area, so most new construction homes, or really any old builders as well, are gonna have media rooms. If you guys wanna let me know if you're from a different state, if those are pretty common, but I would say media rooms are very, very popular, and also adds a little bit extra whenever you do go and perhaps sell this home in the future. Having a media room is going to be a huge plus whenever you do go to sell. Up here, really good closet space for this bedroom, and it does have its own private full bath, which is super nice. So if you do have guests over, or perhaps you have an older kid, they're gonna have their full bathroom and everything like that. You do have this nice little entertainment area up here, which is perfect how they have it for a nice pool table, foosball table, whatever it might be. You do have a bathroom up here for guests. It is a full bath as well, which is really nice. And then you got 2 bedrooms right down this hall. So here's that first one, great space as well. It's about 2,600 square feet, this house, so all the bedrooms do have pretty good size. Even the last one is a nursery, might be the smallest one, but in my opinion, it definitely still has some really good room and storage. Again, if you guys are interested, these models are very, very popular. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out. I'd love to help you find your future home here in the DFW area. And as always, I'll see you at the closing table.